Hey guys, it's Andy here. I'm just doing a quick test video. I bought a new microphone and I was doing a lot of testing. Wasted way too much time trying to fix my microphone volume. The quality is really low, so I think I'm gonna have to buy a microphone that's USB connected, which means it has its own sound card. I think it's my sound card that's the problem. But anyways, so I'm making this video just to test it out, and I figure I might as well talk about a few things. I saw this video, it's pretty neat, by DIY Tech and Repair about this it's called an automatic transfer switch. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I looked up the links that he had in the description. These ATSs, automatic transfer switches, are pretty neat, very cheap, so I looked it up. 100 amps, 2 pole, which is what I would want, so one for the hot lead and one for the neutral, right? So just 2 pole, and then 110 volts because I'm in Canada. North America is 110 volts, 220 is for Europe. So the total price is what, 25 plus $15, right? So pretty good. That's that one. What does it look like? Looks like this, pretty simple. But I'll look into it further. I thought that was interesting. Here's some other options from AliExpress. So another thing I figured I'd do is see what everyone, like, instead of looking at YouTube channels, I'll look at YouTube videos. Since I'm only being recommended who I'm subscribed to, now that I did a few I did a few things on my YouTube recommended list, and it only shows me videos of people I'm subscribed to, so I'm gonna see if I can find any new people. Okay, so HP Powerwall has a new video. What was it, 4 weeks ago? Not that new. Alright, so let's see what he's up to. Right. So that's one of his videos that was produced. These are all in the past month, right? You go to filter this month. Okay. So there's that. This is from India. Let's see. So that name does not ring a bell. Let's look him up. Videos? Yep. Alright. I have definitely never seen this guy before. 1 week. So he's active, definitely. This is a great way to find new YouTubers, right? To subscribe. That looks like a pretty neat video. Alright, so we found one new person to subscribe to. What's next? Let's see, Creative Duck. And I don't think I have him subscribed. Let's see his videos. Alright, so 10 hours ago, 1 month ago. Yeah, I've definitely never seen his videos before, and it looks like fun little projects that, are quick and easy to do for guys like us. So yeah, definitely something interesting to watch. Let's see. And let's see, so I definitely have seen this video. I'm pretty certain I'm subscribed. There's SSG again. Chucks. Let's see, Hobby Lab channel. We can just hit all of them and see how many new creators we can find to subscribe to. At this point, it's like when I first made the video, I said, hey, I think YouTube is purposely burying our content. I was like, oh, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm crazy, You know what I mean? Like when you do something like that, you're like, oh man, I don't know. You get a little worried when you do claims like that, right? Alright, we have quite a few, but at this point, it's an absolute. So yes, I am subscribed to him. Nope, not subscribed to him. Let's see what videos he makes. Alright, so yeah, so I see more 3D printing, 18650 stuff, right? So I'll subscribe to him. Alright. Let's see. This one, Hobby Lab, 5 days ago, 1 week, 3 weeks, 1 month, so pretty new. So whatever, we'll subscribe. And then wild animal. It's kind of weird. Looks like he changed from making those videos to making off-grid energy videos. So okay, whatever, right? Subscribe. Let's see, another one. You know, these were all the most recommended 18650 videos. Never heard of these guys before. So yeah, great job YouTube. You really know how to provide what your customer base wants. You know, which is apparently outrage culture, politics, and Star Trek videos. Definitely not what the person actually wants to, you know, wants to see. Alright, what is this guy doing? Let's see. Looks like a lot of solar stuff. Yep, solar calculations, fusing. Yep, let's just subscribe anyways. And let's see. Yeah, another one. Never heard of him. Oh, I did see this video recommended to me, so YouTube did manage to... Oh, that's because I watched this video here. For some reason I'm not subscribed. So, yeah, I did see this one. I watched it. Oh, I looked it up myself. Fake mileage. Oh yeah, I looked up a car video, and that's how I found this. That's interesting. Yeah, so that video is actually really good to watch. Fake mileage. Little circuit board. There's wild animals again. I wish they'd just go to videos instead of go to home, because the home screen in YouTube is useless. Let's see. This, like, what is this crap? You know, when you remove this garbage, then maybe I'll sub, because these other videos look good. I guess let's see, battery testing, charger. Yeah, not my thing. I don't want any of that. Not to be a big jerk, but alright, let's look. So powerwall videos. Alright, so HP powerwall is third on the list. Oh, that's good. I think you should be first on the list, but whatever, YouTube. Considering how many videos he makes. Okay, what is this? What is this? Okay, he has a Tesla Powerwall. Alright, I'm not subscribing to that. Alright. I prefer the DIY community, not buying pre-made. Okay, there's HP Powerwall again. Good. Let's see. Most of these get kind of... Okay, I am Derek Elis. I remember subscribing to him. Okay. This is like... This video here is like Kanalger's APC UPS modification videos. Like an update to them. So they are worth watching if you're trying to convert these old APC UPSs in order to like run off usually 7S 18650s. So good videos. He's going in depth with that. Powerwall 2.0 enclosure. That sounds interesting. Let's see. Not subscribed. 3 days ago. Okay. So obviously, guy who makes his own. But we gotta look this up ourselves. Alright, who else? Let's see, I'm only going off thumbnails and what's interesting, what grabs my eye. Let's check him out. Okay, that's as far as we'll go with Powerwalls. Alright, so more in depth, a very clean video. Alright, so maybe I should have subscribed to that guy. This guy's got no talking in his videos. I really hate it when people do that. If there's no talking, it just, I don't know, it's a lack of context. Yeah, the description is very limited too. So, you know, if you make a YouTube video, it always helps to put audio in it. So yeah, this is all RC stuff. That's kind of neat, but oh yeah, he made a VTOL. That's pretty cool. That might be worth checking, but yeah, not what we're looking for today. Alright, so that's pretty neat. DIY BMS video. Okay, David Hansen. Alright, so he's got a good, like, he used his name as his YouTube channel. It seems pretty clear. Okay, he's got a whole bunch of videos worth subscribing to since he's a DIYer in the community. So that's what we're looking for here. Okay, so I went through solar and off-grid living and all that, and basically it wasn't connected enough to what we do, unfortunately, searching up those videos, so some other keyword would have to be used, but I think the video is getting a little too long, so I just wanted to do a test, see if my microphone quality is any good, and hopefully it is, and further expand on the idea of once a month posting a video, just looking through the community and trying to find new YouTubers that you can subscribe to and that I can subscribe to, right? So anyways, hope you have a great holidays. Thanks.